Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Volkswagen. How may I assist you today? I can see that somebody must love you very much. Okay, not to worry. Why don't you tell me what happened?
Hiya. As you can see, my car is a mess right now. I love my kids very much, but sometimes they drive me crazy. My youngest son wanted to surprise me by writing "I love mommy" on my car. Then the next day, my eldest daughter took my car out to practice her driving, and she got into a minor accident, which ended up knocking off one of the side mirrors.
Sounds like you had a rough few days. But don't worry, you've come to the right place. Our service center offers Volkswagen body and paint, and we can help fix the problem.
But how? You sure can fix it?
Don't worry, ma'am. We'll take care of it. But first, let's head on inside. With Volkswagen body and paint, we will be able to restore your car to its original state.
That is good to hear, but what about the side mirror? I cannot drive like that. So dangerous lah.
Don't worry, Volkswagen body and paint not only covers the paint job, but also your car's external body parts. In this case, your side mirrors. Your car will be restored to factory standard, and it will be like a brand new car.
Wow, this is good news.
Yes, and not only that. With Volkswagen body and paint, you can be sure that only genuine and approved parts are used. All our parts have been specially developed for your original vehicle and can be seamlessly integrated, saving you time and money when it comes to repairs. Pair this with our skilled and trained technicians, your car is in good hands. On top of that, for added peace of mind and assurance, we will be offering you a 2-year warranty for the paint job and workmanship. We also have VIP if you're interested.
Huh? VIP? What VIP? Who is your VIP?
Not who, but what. VIP stands for Volkswagen Insurance Plan, and it is comprehensive car insurance made specially for your Volkswagen. It is available at all authorized dealerships. Tailor-made to enhance your ownership experience, VIP offers comprehensive coverage with minimal hassle. You will receive prioritized claim approvals, roadside assistance with 24-hour emergency towing, as well as no excess fees and no betterment cost up to 10 years, regardless of your vehicle's age.
Wow, you are right. Not bad, your VIP. I also want to be a VIP.
You sure are. If you are agreeable, then get started on your car and review the repairs needed with our body and paint technicians. Shall we?
Volkswagen.